Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Chai token limit reached error. So let's get started. One possible reason for this error is that token limits can vary depending on your region. If you're in a country with stricter limits, try using a VPN and connect to a different server or country. After connecting, reopen the Chai app and check if the issue has been resolved. If that doesn't help, completely close the app and launch it again. Sometimes a temporary glitch prevents your available tokens from updating correctly, and restarting the app can fix it. Another solution is to clear the app's cache if you're using Android. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps, select Chai, and clear the cache. You can also force stop the app before opening it again. If you're using an iPhone, close the app completely from the Recent Apps screen and restart your device. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary issues. If the problem still isn't fixed, uninstall the Chai app and install the latest version again. Reinstalling the app refreshes its data and may solve the error. Finally, if you've already used all of your free daily tokens, there's nothing wrong with the app. You'll simply need to wait until your daily token limit resets before you can continue using it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.